meant to change the camera setting. Anyway, it's 3:01 a.m. Oh, I'm walking on before I go to work.
You enter the monitoring area.
Oh man, he's pulling me. This thing's gonna be sitting out here. Sometimes there is, sometimes there's not. I don't see nothing out here. 57 Fahrenheit. It's gonna start cooling off. We're supposed to get some rain. Good girl, Lucy, good girl. Yesterday was warmer and there was bugs out here. Flying in my face with the light. Oh, the grass is damp. It might rain a little bit already. I think it has. We're leaving you, Barkley. Hold on. This is just dew on the ground. The grass is really wet. Oh. Come on, I gotta go work, dogs. What you after, girl? What you after? I don't see nothing. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're going in the house. Oh, wait a minute, Barkley wrapped around the light. He's getting wrapped around everything. Thanks to folks for walking. So thank you for walking with us, folks. Thanks, Washington, folks.